Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to your videos, Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. Let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is you can either do it in a word like your name at the bottom left or like anywhere on the screen, or have a logo on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and do a logo. I'm going to bring it up, find out where you put your logo. This is my logo. Just drag it on where you would like it. And then just make it smaller. Bring it to the corner. And then just turn down the opacity just a little bit. Maybe about right there is good. Let's go over Sony Vegas now and do it over there. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag your logo in, stretch it out to fit the whole video. I forgot to say that in Premiere Pro. Sorry for the dog barking in the background. And then go to track motion to the very beginning of the video. And then just make it smaller. And then just drag it over to the corner. Turn down your opacity just a little bit. Put it on full so you can see it. You still see it right there. And that's going to be on how to do it on Sony Vegas and Premiere Pro. See you in the next video. Peace out, guys.